So here's a look at the Maxx Force site. Had a really good view from Skytrack Tower. Missing section up there. And there's a guy on that lift, or there was when we got off Skytrack. See what they're doing here. Hi.
Hi.
Coming around this way, you see the harbor fences down for parts there, so they got to put that back together. That's where they got the supports, so you got that one little end there in harbor. I think that's really cool. So it kind of is a water park expansion.
Really?
Yeah, I had to. Don't know who this dude is, but he's doing a video, so check him out. I think I heard him say they're putting up some supports. Oh, while we're here, I'm just thinking, El Michelle, when that movie comes out, I can't wait to go see The Lion King. Yeah, I had to. Oh, that's what's going on here. We'll keep you posted if anything else develops.